Hi, first graders. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. And this week we are going to write a paragraph, a 5-sentence paragraph, about the signs of spring. What kind of signs have we seen around our neighborhoods that let us know that spring is here? So we're going to start with our topic sentence. And I'm going to write, I can see many signs of spring. So I'll start with my capital I, leave a finger space, magic C for can, magic C A, dive down N, I can, leave a finger space for C, magic C S, hit the ball and run around the bases for the E's. I can see, leave a finger space, many. Dive down M, magic C A, dive down N, slide, slide for the Y. Now we're going to write this word signs. That's a tricky word. Magic C S, then I hear the I. It has a silent G, magic C G, down and turn. Dive down N, magic C S. I can see many signs of, leave a finger space for the O, dive down F, of, and then spring, finger space, S, dive down P, dive down R, dive down I, dive down N, magic C G, dive down, and leave a period at the end. I can see many signs of spring. My next sentence, I'm going to start with the transition word first. In my neighborhood, I have seen yellow flowers. So I'm going to say first, dive down F, capital, dive down I, dive down R, magic C S, dive down T, and a comma. First, I see yellow flowers. So dive down I, leave a finger space, magic C S, hit the ball and run around the bases for the E. I see yellow. Slide, slide. Hit the ball and run around the base for the E. Dive down L's. There are two. Magic C O. Slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up for the W. First, I see yellow flowers. Dive down F. Dive down L. Magic C O. Slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up for the W. Hit the ball and run around the base for the E. Dive down R. Magic C S. Don't forget your period. First, I see yellow flowers. I'm going to use the transition word second next. I'm going to say, I see green grass. So second, magic C S. Hit the ball and run around the base for the E. Magic C. Magic C O. Dive down N. Magic C D, up like a helicopter, back down. Don't forget your comma. So we're going to say I see, dive down I, leave a finger space, magic C S, hit the ball and run around the base for the E's. I see green grass, leave a finger space, magic C G, dive down R, Hit the ball and run around the base for the 2 E's. Dive down N. I see green grass. Leave a finger space. Magic C, G. Dive down R. Magic C, A. Magic C, S. And there are 2 S's in grass. There we go. Second, I see green grass. Then we're going to do third. Dive down T for third. TH, right? Dive down H. Dive down I. Dive down R. Magic C, up like a helicopter, back down for D. Third, I'm going to say I see leaves on trees. So we'll do the dive down I. Magic C, S for the E's. Hit the ball and run around the bases. I see leaves. Dive down L. Hit the ball and run around the base for the E. Magic C, A. Slide down, slide up. Hit the ball and run around the base for the E. And we need an S. I see leaves. Then we want to leave a finger space. Magic C, O. Dive down N. Leave a finger space. Dive down T. Dive down R. Hit the ball and run around the base for the 2 E's. And then magic C, S. Don't forget your period. Third, I see leaves on trees. And then the last conclusion sentence, I think I'll use the transition word truly. Dive down T. Dive down R. Dive down U. Dive down L. Slide down for the Y and a comma, truly. Then I think I'll say spring is here. Magic C, S. Dive down, swim back up, around and bump the P. Dive down R. Dive down I. Dive down N, up and over. Magic C, G. Dive down and turn. Leave a finger space after spring for is. Dive down I. Magic C, S. There's is. Leave a finger space for here. Dive down H. Hit the ball and run around the bases for the E. Dive down R. Hit the ball and run around the bases for that E. And an exclamation point. Truly, spring is here. I think I like my paragraph. I hope you like yours too. Bye for now.